Hi, boys and girls. So today for our writing a letter lesson number 2, our goal is I can pick an audience and brainstorm topics to write about. So remember, when you choose an audience, this is who you are writing your letter to. And you ask yourself, who is the letter for? So for this assignment, I am going to ask that you write a letter to me, Mrs. March, because each year at the end of the year, I always have the fourth graders write me a letter that I save, and I've done one every single year, so we can't skip this year. Now, there are lots of reasons for writing a letter. Here's a couple of examples. You can write a letter to your parents thanking them for taking you on a trip, write a letter to a friend, writing a letter to someone who gave you a gift and thanking them. There's so many things. You could write a letter to a friend telling them things you want to do over the summer. Okay, lots of different things. So our letter is going to be about our fourth grade memories. So what I want you to do right now is I would like you to take out a piece of paper and a pencil, and you are going to separate your paper into 3 sections, just like this. So label it brainstorming, letter to Mrs. March, and then you're going to draw a line and draw a line so you have 3 clear sections. And then I would like you to draw a line kind of down the middle, but a little bit smaller on the left side than the right side. So go ahead and pause your video, and this would be a good time for you to separate your paper and get it ready. Okay, so now that your paper is separate, this looks a little different than your paper, but this is how we're going to organize our thoughts and brainstorm what we're going to write about to Mrs. March. So in the first section, I want you to label it favorite memories. And then on the right side, this is going to be some examples of some of your favorite fourth grade memories. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, and I'm going to type favorite memories. Okay, and we're going to put that over here. Of course, you're going to write yours out. And then this is a spot for me to go ahead and write my favorite memories of fourth grade. Okay. So maybe some of my favorite memories were, I loved when we went on the Fort Snelling field trip. That was so fun. It was a beautiful day. We almost had the whole place for us. It was amazing. Okay. Let's see, another favorite memory. I would think of another one and then a third one. Okay, so this would be 3 favorite memories. Then your next category is going to be about this distance learning and what's going on. Okay, something that happened in our history. Oopsie. And it would be a good thing to remember for future years. Okay, so I'm going to type my next category as distance learning. Would you please write this on your paper? And then again, I want you to think of 3 things about distance learning. Okay, so maybe we would say we had a Zoom meeting every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, and then I would think another thing about distance learning. Maybe it was really hard to get all my work done, or it was pretty easy and I had a lot more time to play, or I could spend the day in my pajamas. So you think of 3 things about the distance learning that you would like to write about. Maybe you really miss school and your teacher and you want to just document that. Okay, then your last section, oops, wrong way. Your last section is about your future goals. Okay, so you're going to add that to your final section on your paper. My future goals. Okay, and in this section, this is where I really want you to tell me about your future and what you think. Okay, so maybe in the first section, I want you to talk about in 5th grade. What do you hope to accomplish in fifth grade? Do you hope to have some more friends? Do you hope to do really well in school? Those kind of things. Okay, maybe you hope to continue playing in the orchestra or start a band instrument. Then I would like you to tell me your other future goals, maybe for high school or college. Okay. And then last, I would like you to tell me a goal about what do you want to do with your life? What do you want to be? What do you want to be when you grow up? Okay, so what is your goals? Do you want to be a doctor? Do you want to be a teacher? What kind of things do you want to do? Okay, and this is just our rough draft to get ready for the letter that you're going to write to Mrs. March. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or a comment and I will get back to you. So this is attached as a template, but what I would like you to do is take a picture of your paper with all of your ideas on it and send that in as your assignment today.